Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome back to my YouTube channel and Facebook page. How is going? What's the matter? Maybe you all are trying to prepare yourself for Eid. Alright, it's knocking at the door. Guys, আজকে আমি কিছু opposite words নিয়ে কথা বলবো. So let's try about that. Go back, come back. Go back, come back. Slow, fast. Slow, fast. White, black. Lover, hater. King, queen. Led, made. Alive, death. Sweet, bitter. Owner, lender. Winner, loser. So বাংলা অর্থ সহ বললে go back ফিরে যাও, come back ফিরে আসো, slow খুব ধীরে, fast দ্রুত, white সাদা এর অপোজিট হচ্ছে black কালো, lover যে ভালোবাসে আর hater যে ঘৃণা করে, king রাজা, queen রানী, led বালক, maid বালিকা, alive জীবিত, dead মৃত, sweet মিষ্টি, bitter তেতো, owner মালিক, lender ভাড়াটে, winner বিজয়ী, loser যে হেরে যায়. Okay, so guys, let's learn all of that and try to remember it. So happy learning. Allah Hafiz.